game. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Daniel. Just a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saklan back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, Mara.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going so forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saklan, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saklan. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saklan departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Ghazi Gori got an hand but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat 10 minutes go back in time, and now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Ghazi Gori, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial. Right throughout in the death overs in the tournament, he's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right-hander. But he has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the 2nd time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled, 7 to get for Pakistan.
Yeah, 3 balls to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have thought that he should have played that for a single. Maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over. That's 6 balls. 6 already on the board. Bangladesh are done.
Danger man just faced 1 delivery. That was a downfall for Bangladesh. Abubur Rahman got a single from the first ball. He had to watch agonizing from the non-strikers, and both his partners been dismissed for some excellent deliveries by Ahmed Danial. Into the super over in the first semi-final. Team batting 2nd at that time. Bangladesh A won pretty easily. Now Pakistani, when they come out to bat, they've got to make 7 runs with 2 wickets in hand. Same question for you, Maza. Who's your choice for the super over?
Ripon Mondal. Just to provide some hope to the Bangladeshi fans as well. He's bundled out India A without even scoring a run in the super over. So there's still a hope
For Pakistan, Shaheen Salman. Have a look at here again. I think the straight one, and Ahmed Daniel, what a player he is. He's inching towards, for my opinion, even for the man of the series, the way he has performed. Just on Pakistan, Shaheen's, maybe a right-hand, left-hand combination.
Yes, I wouldn't mind that. Maha Sadakat would be the choice. And maybe Saad Masood, the guy who scored 38 not out and looked good. Because you need to find somebody with some confidence from his fresh knock. And that is the person.
Yeah, I'll probably go with Maha Sadakat and Saad Masood just on pure. Yeah, they've scored runs on the day.